Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this animated doppelganger video edit in CapCut PC. So just select your video or photo. I'll just use this photo to show you. Then go to the effects section, scroll down until you find the body effects. Then you are going to, if you can't find it here, it's in the clone section. They have a lot of options, but they also have a lot of free options as well. They have that doppelganger, there's phantom, but most of the doppelganger ones you do have to use the pro feature for it, like this one. They also have this one as well. And then there's also this one. There's just a lot of the doppelganger ones, but this one is free, so you can use that. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!